Hey everyone, this is the start of another New York City vlog. I am and have been working on a whole separate video for you guys right now, but in this vlog, I'm hungry, so it's eating time. We're about to have some cereal because it's quick and I'm lazy. These are our ingredients, so let's make some magic. We have our mixing bowl, our cornflakes, so elegant, so delicious. Ooh, baggy bag. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see how tired I am? Yeah, let's go get the Drano. I'm praying to God that they have it in stock because for whatever reason, a lot of other people have clogged drains in New York. Conspiracy? I think not. Anyway, yeah, this is not the first apartment in New York I've lived in, and it's not the first time I've had clogged drains all the time. So I don't know. The two might be related. Anyway, let's go. And the store's closing in a few minutes.
My brain waves get hazy, just maybe don't shut. And lately I've been crazy, Shutter Island, Scorsese. But if you still my baby, then please let me know it.
Any and all guests know that they need to start making their way up to the registers within these 5 minutes.
Sometimes when you're actually doing that, you feel a little bit anxious or depressed. Like, should be doing something else.
Wasn't meant to be, no apologies. I could not foresee what you do to me.
All right, we are back from Target. Anyway, we're having some pink lemonade.
To see what you do to me. Now I'm struggling to get out of bed. It's just...
Okay, what do you want? That, my friends, that's what it's like sometimes as a waitress. It sucks. People are weird. And I would say it's rude, but I honestly, I don't entertain people when they're doing stuff like that. A few years ago, yeah, I would have done anything to keep my job. Nowadays, I don't really need a job that bad. But people can be disrespectful. I do need a job really badly. I always need a job badly. Don't be rude. You guys don't even know. So I don't know why this crossed my mind again. I think I had a nightmare about it when this child, this like 12-year-old child and his family, this boy said to me, he's like, hey, 12 years old, hey, miss, hey. No, he didn't even, I don't even think he said miss. He said, hey, come here. I need something, I need some more. I need something to drink. I need more. You guys, I just... And I kid you guys not, I walked away. I went to the bathroom. Right then and there, I decided to take a break. And I was just like, yeah, no, because of all of this, and his father, his entire family saw everything and they just let him. No, I was like, no. I'll be back in 10 or 15 minutes when you learn how to act, because no. I don't get paid enough for that. I don't, so see how much I care. Whatever. It's not old me. Old me would have taken it and literally like gone in the bathroom and cried. What do you want, sir? You're 12, so no. No. I have been playing around on this website called PicArt. I really want to get Photoshop, but it is just so expensive. Oh my goodness, ridiculously expensive. So if I want to get it, I'm gonna have to save up some money and then just buy the yearly membership, because it makes more sense to pay for it yearly as opposed to monthly, when it's literally twice the price monthly. And it's already expensive as it is. It just keeps getting more expensive. So as Britney Spears says, her loneliness is killing her. And I say my hunger is killing me. I'm starving. Let's go make some dinner. I just set the mood with a little candle. This one is from Target, the Hearth in Hand with Magnolia, Cedar Magnolia. This is so... Oh, why am I getting that close to the fire? This stuff is really good, is what I'm trying to say. Have you guys ever seen that video? I don't know if it was Kendall Jenner. I don't really know who it was. Lit their eyelash on fire. You know what? I think the video that went viral was not Kendall Jenner, but I recall Kendall Jenner doing it at some point as well. To my recollection. I could be crazy, but I'm pretty sure I'm not. I'm glad she's okay. For dinner, let's do tempura shrimp and Japanese styled fried rice. And I don't know if these two things are related or not, but sometimes on Instagram, I'll see people spell her name Candle, like Kendall Jenner. She lit her eyelash on fire by accident years ago. I almost did the same to myself right now, so I don't know if it's a full circle moment. I don't know if that's what a full circle moment is considered, but again, I'm really glad she's okay. I'm glad I didn't just do that to myself, because that must be so miserable and hurts so much.
Never roll back, I won't pull back. Don't wanna waste time with you. Wanted you so bad, didn't hold back, and now I can't forget you.
I'm trying a new style with my thumbnails to make you want to click on them more when you see them, and hopefully it's working. Let me know. Are my thumbnails better? Thumbnails are the picture that you see before you click on the YouTube video to tell you what the YouTube video is about and to help you decide if you even want to click on it. So let me know if they're better. I'm working really hard on getting it just right, just perfect. I have 2 burners on and the oven, so let me take the sweatshirt off. I'm burning up, it's hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Yeah, I got nothing done. I just spent the last 15 minutes trying to figure out where the files that I want to airdrop onto my phone to edit on my phone, and then airdrop them back to my laptop to edit them more on my laptop before putting them on the YouTube video that you guys will have already seen by now. Being a YouTuber is not hard. It's not hard. I wish. Being a YouTuber is not easy.
Climbing mountains in my head. Tell me all the little things you never said. And it's clear to see your love for me is dead. And I want you to know I'ma let you go what you said to me before. Now
Hey guys, it is me editing this video right now. And excuse my appearance, I'm all bundled up because it's cold. I have my space heater right next to me. This is so embarrassing, so humiliating. This next bit you guys are about to continue seeing, it is just, oh my god, secondhand embarrassment. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, so I'm on the app Clubhouse. I've been on it for like a week now and it's been a wild ride. Clubhouse is crazy. But right now, what you guys are listening to, can anybody hear me talking?
Okay, I choose time.
You guys, so a second ago, they invited me to be a speaker on Clubhouse. I don't know why. I'm so paranoid that they can hear me.
Go ahead. Get your phone. Go ahead.
I'm so sorry. I had to close the app because I'm so paranoid that they can hear me. There's 200 people, all strangers from Instagram who make Clubhouse accounts. We're all strangers. Because the moment I started talking, they kicked me out as one of the moderators, but I don't think they could hear me talking. Why? Because I'm pretty sure you have to be like holding something down to speak. I don't know. I've only been invited to be a moderator twice. Or a speaker twice since I got on the app like a week ago. So if you guys know anything about Clubhouse, please let me know. It's such a weird app so far. It's so weird. Follow me on Clubhouse. This is my Clubhouse. I really hope they couldn't hear me. I'm so embarrassed. Is that why they kicked me out? Could they hear me? But no, you have to like hold down a mic when you're speaking, I'm pretty sure. So how could they? I wasn't holding down anything. You guys saw me. So why'd they kick me out? They didn't kick me out, but they made me not a moderator or not a speaker. They made me not a speaker anymore. This is so hard just to edit this footage because it is so embarrassing. I just got another notification from Clubhouse too. Like, leave me alone, Clubhouse. Anyway, I got a notification that day. That is why I got on it and was humiliated. Oh my god. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to show you guys the humiliating part because it was so bad. So bad. The name of the Clubhouse room was Shoot Your Shot. So they were inviting people on, I guess, that they wanted to shoot their shot or they wanted to find out if I wanted to shoot my shot. I don't want to shoot any shots. I don't play basketball, and neither do most of you. Like, I just want to listen. My advice is if you go into a room with a small amount of people, they're probably going to invite you to talk. Just be wary. I thought a room with 200 people was large enough to where they wouldn't invite me to talk, but they did. They did. So I've confirmed it. I did get kicked out of being a speaker in the other room. I just figured out. I just got into another room. They were like, oh, anybody who wants to speak, which I've never been asked, do you want to speak? Raise your hand if you want to speak. So I was just like, okay, sure, whatever. I need to test these theories for my subscribers so you guys know when you get on Clubhouse. So apparently you have to mute yourself. If you don't mute yourself, then yeah, everybody can hear you speaking. So 200 people heard me start to speak to you guys while making my YouTube. Hello? I'm so scared. I'm so scared, you guys, because if I touch the wrong thing, then 554 people will hear me making this YouTube video. I screwed up. I screwed up big time. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm so, like, it's the internet, and I'm so embarrassed over the internet. And I'm so confused because this is called silent late night engagement, so I'm not even sure, like, what are we doing in this room? And she was just like, everybody make sure your mic is mute so we can all be silent. So we got on this app with 554 people in this one group. It's like a group chat basically for all of us to be silent. It's weird, you guys. It's getting freaky, and it's 3 o'clock in the morning, but it's getting real weird. It's getting strange.
For everyone just joining this room, thank you for being here. All we ask of you is to stay silent, remain silent, hit the plus sign on the bottom of the screen so this room can continue to grow. We're almost at 600 guys, and we have so much gratitude for everyone being here, remaining respectful.
See, they keep saying be silent, so I'm like, are they talking to me? Are they talking to me? This is so crazy. This is so embarrassing. I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed. You guys, I just made a fool of myself. Oh my gosh, they heard everything. They heard everything. This confirms it. They heard everything before. Was finally invited in. Oh my god. I cannot. It's so embarrassing. It's so embarrassing. It's like I was trying to it's like I was trying to do an expose on them, but I'm not trying to expose anything I said. They're never gonna invite me to be a speaker in that room again. It says fry till the edges are golden brown. Yeah, no, this does not. Is it still frozen on the inside? It's still cooking, but I'm gonna try this little piece. Hopefully it's good. It's really good. So we are about to try the mango chutney for the first time. Aren't I so brave trying new things? Are you proud of me? This is the finished product. Plantains, mango chutney, and I'm eating it with the kung pao cauliflower. It's me again. Who else would it be? This is my channel. So we're having our sleepy time tea.
I'm just a past life for you. Not willing to play the fool.
I'm so excited. I just got some tatsu ramen. It is so good. I got it once before. This is my second time getting it. I hope I got what I got last time. I think I did, but I'm not sure. I should have taken the name down. Bella Hadid is always posting that she's eating tatsu ramen, so I decided to go to tatsu ramen because they're kind of open late at night too, and it's kind of late. It's 10:30. I'm about to eat, and I'll let you guys know how it is.
I know that you know limits of you, so it feels like we lost what we knew, and I don't wanna last in these moments with you like ooh, I'm just a past life for you, and I'm just I'm just a past life for you, not willing to play the
guys. So I am currently on the way to the post office. Almost forgot. So I've got to hustle on over there. I almost forgot that I even have to do this. But yeah, I have a great Michael Bluth from Arrested Development would say. Made a huge mistake. I should have worn my gloves. I'm freezing out here. Hope you guys can hear me okay. There's this wind muff that I can put on top of the microphone of this camera. And I should have used it. I should have brought it out today. But next time.
It wasn't for you, but you was for me. I get that doesn't sound hard to believe. Thought you was a blessing, now I'm in bed stressing for you.
All right, post office check. Now let's go to Trader Joe's.
It cut me loose, yeah. All of the time I spent, wasted it all for you, yeah. You never had the commitment, lied to my face when you said you were different. I know who you really are, you sold me a dream and you tore it apart. Climbing mountains in my head. Tell me things you never said.
Hey guys, do you want to see what I got from Trader Joe's? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you anyway. Oh my goodness. Let me put on my chapstick because I look like Dave Chappelle. You know those Dave Chappelle memes? If I can find it, I'm going to insert it somewhere here. Yeah, I do. Oh my god. I dropped my chapstick just now. It looks like the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks. Went ahead and got my tried and true, my Tatcha Kisu lip mask. Power Crunch bars. I've been eating this stuff for years and it's a really good like pre-workout, post-workout, little quick snack. Are you surprised? Are you at all surprised? You already know what this is. We love this. We got some jasmine rice and sour cream. We got more oat milk and more hummus. I like the roasted pepper hummus. More broccoli. I'm a crazy broccoli woman. More of the tempura cauliflower and more of the tempura shrimp. Lots of tempura going on here. So I've never tried this before. Tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, and it is imported from Italy. I adore this stuff. Noci gorgonzola. Belgian endives and hummus is like an elevated, more flavorful version of the same thing, and celery has absolutely no flavor, but endives do. So yum.